Gordon hadn't learned his lesson.
Henry whistles too much. Respectable engines don't whistle loudly at stations. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it.
Poor Henry felt sad. "Never mind," whispered Percy. "I like your whistling." Gordon left the shed. He called to Henry.
Goodbye, Henry. Be sure and remember what I said about whistling.
Later that day, Henry took a slow train to Edward's station. "Hello, Henry," said Edward. "I was pleased to hear your happy whistle yesterday." "Thank you, Edward," smiled Henry. "Shh! Can you hear something?" Edward listened. "It sounds like Gordon," said Edward. "But Gordon never whistles like that." But it was Gordon. He came rushing down the hill at a tremendous speed. Gordon's whistle valve wouldn't close, and he screamed through the station and disappeared. "Well," said Edward, looking at Henry, "it isn't wrong, but we just don't do it," chuckled Henry, and Edward laughed. Meanwhile, Gordon screeched along the line. People came out of their houses, fire engines set off to find the fire, and shoppers dropped their packages in shop. The noise was awful. Porters and passengers held their ears. The Fat Controller held his ears too.
Take him away, he bellowed, and stop that noise.
Still whistling, Gordon puffed sadly away. He whistled as he crossed the point. Then 2 fitters climbed up and knocked Gordon's whistle valve into place. And at last, there was silence. Gordon floated to death. He was very glad it was empty. The other engines came back. "It isn't wrong," murmured Edward, "but we just don't do it." And all the engines laughed, except for Gordon.